Dear students, in the previous class, we have solved the Schrödinger wave equation for particle in a three-dimensional box and found out the eigenfunctions and eigenenergy. Today, I would like to introduce the concept of degeneracy. What is degeneracy? When two or more different wave functions or stationary states have the same energy, then those states and the corresponding energy values or energy levels are called degenerate, and the phenomenon is called degeneracy. So degeneracy means two or more different wave functions having the same value of energy. So those states or energy levels, we call them as degenerate energy levels or degenerate states. So to be more clear, let's go to some examples. While solving the particle in a three-dimensional box, we got the energy level expression as E equals h square by 8m nx square by ax square plus ny square by ay square plus nz square by az square. This is for a particle in a rectangular three-dimensional box. If the particle is in a cubical box, then the three sides are equal. That is, ax equals ay equals az, let it be equal to a. Therefore, the energy level expression becomes E equals h square by 8ma square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Now let's see how degeneracy arises. If the value of the quantum numbers nx, ny and nz are equal, that is if all the three values are equal to 1, then we represent the wave function as xi1, 1, 1. 1 representing nx, ny and nz. Now calculating the energy, substitute the values of nx, ny and nz in the expression for energy. E equals h square by 8m a square nx square plus ny square plus nz square. So substituting the value 1, we will get 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So psi 1, 1, 1 is equal to 3h square by 8m a square. This is a non-degenerate states. Now suppose if nx is equal to 2 but ny equals 1 and nz is also equal to 1. We represent the wave function as xi2, 1, 1. Finding out the energy, substitute the values for nx, ny and nz. So h square by 8ma square into 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So you will get the value as 6h square by 8ma square. Similarly, if nx equals 1 but ny equal to 2, then nz is equal to 1. The wave function is represented as xi1, 2, 1. Now find out the energy. So E equals h square by 8ma square into 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So again you will get the value as 6h square by 8ma square. So these are two different wave functions, xi211, xi121, but you are getting the same value of energy. Again, if nx equals 1, ny equals 1 and nz is equal to 2, the wave function is represented as xi112, which again the value of energy is 6h square by 8ma square. So we have three different wave functions, xi211, xi121 and xi112, but the value of the energy is the same, 6h square by 8ma square. Then we call the state as triply degenerate state or threefold degenerate. Or you can also say like this, the degree of degeneracy of the state is 3. Similarly, we have another example for states xi221, xi212 and xi122. For these three states, if we substitute the value of nx, ny and nz, the energy value is 9h square by 8ma square. So three different functions, you are getting the same value of energy. Again, the state is triply degenerate or threefold degenerate. So this is a table showing the values of the quantum numbers nx, ny, nz and the degree of degeneracy. As we have seen, when all the three values nx, ny, nz is equal to 1, we get n square as 3 and the degree of degeneracy is 0. That is, it is non-degenerate state. X equals 1, ny equals 1, but nz is equal to 2. Three different combinations like this, all having the value n square is equal to 6, which is triply degenerate or threefold degenerate. Similarly, psi 122, psi 212, psi 221, again psi 113, psi 131, psi 311. These two are also threefold degenerate states. And finally, when nx equals ny equals nz is equal to 2, that is, when the three quantum numbers are same, psi 222, similar to the first one, again it is a non-degenerate state. So this is what is called degeneracy. So once more, when two or more different wave functions or stationary states have the same energy, when they correspond to the same energy level, then those states and the energy levels are said to be degenerate. The phenomenon is called degeneracy.